Best games you can get on the Epic Store. The very best video games on the Epic Sport retailer are continually altering as a result of video games typically launch completely with Epic, after which come to different storefronts later. Different storefronts like Steam invariably have extra options, in order that they're often most popular by players. Some video games do stay unique to Epic, although, and right this moment we can be these and present exclusives on the platform to point out you the most effective the Epic video games retailer has to supply. Epic's biggest game, Fortnite. What we like. Lots to do and unlock. Artistic, colorful tackle battle royale style. What we do not like. Countless monetization. Poisonous neighborhood. Abilities hold between outdated and new gamers. Fortnite is Epic Video Games' hottest property by far. In the event you aren't already acquainted, Fortnite is a third-person shooter battle royale sport that drops you and 99 different gamers onto a huge map that will get progressively smaller the place you might have one objective: survive. In the event you can outwit, outlast, or outplay your enemies and be the final individual standing, you will have received a sport of Fortnite. Doing that is no straightforward process, so you will must discover the map for helpful loot and kit and get accustomed to Fortnite's attribute constructing system, which lets you create buildings and canopy on the fly. Epic's biggest acquisition, Rocket League. What we like. Superior premise, vehicular soccer. Play as significantly or casually as you want. What we do not like. Far away from Steam. Countless monetization. Rocket League is like an esport athlete got down to design a chill celebration sport. Rocket League is soccer, however with rocket-powered vehicles, which works because it sounds. Accordingly, a sport of Rocket League generally is a hilarious, foolish expertise. However, there may be additionally a lot depth to every of Rocket League's vehicles, the mechanics of motion, and the broader methods a staff can implement to carry residents a win. You possibly can play Rocket League competitively, too, the place there is a moderately lively scene. So, whereas considerably foolish, you will get as a lot out of Rocket League as you need to put in. Best game that started as a mod, Auto Chess. What we like. Nice introduction to auto battler video games. Began as a mod for Dota 2 and have become a phenomenon. What we do not like. Generic visible design. Will not enchantment to individuals who do not just like the style. The auto battler style that Auto Chess kickstarted is impressed by chess, however sees gamers place characters on a grid-shaped battlefield, i.e., a chessboard, that then struggle different characters without direct enter from the participant. Auto Chess began as a mod for Dota 2, which Valve then became their very own sport Dota Underlords. Droto Studio, the makers of the unique mod, turned their mod right into a sport fully unconnected to the Dota universe, so you will not want any familiarity with that to get into Auto Chess. Best card game, Magic: The Gathering Arena. What we like. Simple to play the traditional card sport online. Performs similar to the actual Factor. What we do not like. Shopping for digital playing cards inferior to the actual Factor. Excessive skill ceiling might be overwhelming and unfriendly to new gamers. Magic is a card gaming big that has stood the take a look at of time. In Magic, historically, two gamers face off in opposition to one another utilizing their decks to forge spells, use artifacts, and summon creatures to carry the opposite participant's life right down to zero. In Magic, the Gathering environment, you may accumulate playing cards, construct decks, and play Magic like common, and you may play conventional constructed decks in addition to draft. Microtransactions assist Magic, The gathering environment, you should purchase Forex to enter a draft or open new card packs. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.